The night of Hurricane Harvey, it was very hard to predict that it would be this severe. You never think it will be you. My name is Taisha Waddys, and I am located in Arcola, Texas. It was very terrifying being away in another city during a storm. I came back to the house. It was like a shipwreck. Like your whole house just being taken and just shook.
After the disasters, our hearts and minds were with the people of Texas, and we really wanted to give back in a meaningful way. And so we thought a partnership with Habitat for Humanity was the best opportunity for us to do that.
I appreciate the organization like John Deere that come in and help us out. It's a great opportunity for the people. It's a great opportunity for us. We get a lot accomplished with this home, and I think the homeowners will be really excited.
We're 8-9 months removed from Hurricane Harvey. This family's still not in their home. And there are many families around the Houston area that are in the exact same situation. It's such a struggle. And this is just an opportunity to do something special to help out a family and put them back in their home.
Well, Habitat does a great job in helping those in need, and for John Deere, it's a big part of what we do. It was great to work with some folks I've worked with throughout my career, and to see them again today, and to see them all coming together from across the state to help give back in the community here that was hit so hard.
The biggest struggle that a lot of us have had with Hurricane Harvey in Texas is you feel like you're not doing enough to give back. So being able to have this kind of coordinated effort to be able to make this kind of impact is huge.
The storm was months ago, but there's still people that need help. We're so excited to make an impact, and the family's just been really, really fun to work with.
I don't think there's an organization that has a more noble mission than Habitat for Humanity. I can't think of a more noble cause than that you'd want to be associated with.
Grateful is a good word, because people don't have to be nice to you. You know, people don't have to be kind to you. They make choices to do that. And that makes the difference. So I'm very grateful and very humble, and thank you.